Hello guys, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can view and download your Discord backup codes. So let's begin. First, go to your Discord application, right? And then over here on your profile section, click on the gear icon, which is user settings. The very first option would be your My Account. Now scroll down a bit and you will see View Backup Codes. You can click on that, but before you can get this option, you actually need to verify your account. So, uh, verify your account. They will send a code or a link to your Gmail, and then that's done. It's actually very quick and easy. So go back here. You will see the option for to add your security keys. And then once you've set up your security keys, Discord will provide you with your backup codes in which you can either download or show in here. So they will ask for your password and they will provide you with messages to confirm the changes. And then over here, you can just easily type in your password and then let's just see what happens. Yeah, they will send a verification code to my email address. For the sake of this video, I will just skip this. And after that, they will provide you with an option to download your uh, backup codes and make sure that it is kept safe because there will be an option to log into your account in case you forgot your password or your email address. So that's it. I hope you found this video very helpful.